The world's most important narrow waterway. What if this single route were to shut down? The global economy could come to a halt. The Strait of Hormuz. Today, we'll explore why this place is so important. So stay with us till the end. A place on Earth where an invisible pressure is always present. No, it's not a battlefield, but every single moment here matters. It's just a narrow stretch of water. Looks calm on the surface, but hidden inside it is the balance of the entire world. This is the Strait of Hormuz. Every day, countless ships pass through it, carrying oil, fuel, and with them, they carry the future of the global economy. Nearly 20% of the world's oil moves through this one route. So when something happens here, the impact spreads across the entire planet. But here's the real question. Is it just a passage? Or is there something much deeper hidden within it? To really understand this place, you can't look at it, feel it. Step onto Hormuz Island. The first thing that hits you is an explosion of color. Red, yellow, orange, purple. The mountains rise in layered bands, like nature painted its own canvas. But behind all that beauty lies millions of years of history, volcanic heat, the pressure of the sea, and the slow passage of time. All of it came together to shape this land. Every layer tells a story of fire, water, and transformation. But beneath all this beauty lies a harsh reality. Life here isn't easy. Extreme heat, a lack of fresh water, and a daily struggle just to survive. And yet, people have lived here for thousands of years. How? Not by fighting nature, but by understanding it. They don't try to change the environment. They adapt themselves instead. Work begins at dawn, pauses during the intense midday heat, and resumes again in the evening. Even their homes are built with purpose. Thick walls, small windows, designed to let air in and keep heat out. Nothing here is wasted. This is Hormuz's first lesson. Survival isn't about having more. It's about using what you have wisely. Now, toward the sea, massive oil tankers pass by. From a distance, they look like floating cities. They carry billions of dollars worth of fuel. And right beside them, small villages. People fishing, watching the weather, living life on their own terms. Same place, but two completely different worlds. One global, the other deeply local. Even the sea here is different. The water is so warm that in many parts of the world, coral wouldn't survive. But here, some corals have adapted. Over thousands of years, they've changed. Those that couldn't adapt disappeared. Those that did became stronger. These corals are not just beautiful, they are life itself. Fish, fishermen, entire coastal communities, everything depends on them. But now, this delicate balance is breaking. Pollution, oil, human pressure, all combined, slowly weakening this ecosystem. Right beside this sea, there's another wonder, a forest that grows in salt water. Mangroves. These trees do something remarkable. They filter salt through their roots and release it through their leaves. But they are more than just trees. They are the beginning of life. Countless marine species are born here. The entire food chain starts in these forests. Losing them means losing a future. And in the middle of it all stands the Strait of Hormuz. Narrow, yet critically important. Every drop of oil from the Persian Gulf passes through this route. If this pathway is ever blocked, the global economy trembles. That's why the world's most powerful nations are always watching this place. Because here, a small disruption can turn into a global crisis. But for the people who live here, this isn't about politics. This is life. Their concerns are simple. Will there be fish today? What will the weather be like? How will the day unfold? Where the world sees risk, they see survival. This place is not just a passage. It's a warning. The planet is changing. The ocean is getting warmer. Pollution is rising. And the balance is breaking. And places like this, where everything is so delicate, feel the impact first. If the corals disappear, fish will vanish. If fish disappear, people's lives will change. Everything here is connected. So the question remains, are we really paying attention? Or are we still only seeing the surface? Because this narrow waterway is not just a route, It's a message. In this world, it's not the strongest who survive, but those who adapt. The Strait of Hormuz is not just shaping the present, it may be shaping the future.